Good morning. I am the principal of English Oriental Academy, Happania Art, Murshidabad, West Bengal. Now, this is the main gate of our school, and through which students and teachers and other staff used to enter. So, this is the main gate. After that, this gate followed to the another gate. So, there is double boundary for the security of the staff and the students. I am Partho Sengupta, principal of English Oriental Academy. This is the another gate for entrance of the students and exit of the students. Now, we will move towards the school, and this is that east side of that school with that rubber plant trees, and here is the for the that is guest or the parents. They used to come for official purposes, and they used to take rest here, and they wait for the official purposes. Other than that is, we have also water filtering system to filter the water. Now, we enter, this is our English Oriental Academy, school now affiliation number 2430171, the part Murshidabad. Now, this is the gate through which student enter, and here is the security guard is available with sanitizers and that is thermal gun. This is the office, and here the all the LDC and UDC box and the complaint box also this one, and here that we have fire system, fire extinguisher in, and there is our notice board, here we will different types of notices we use to paste here to help the students. Now, we also provided that is biometric system for the teachers attendance. Next followed to the strong room with Xerox machine and that IT room also, and for the examination purpose we will use this room, and next to the ladies staff room, and where the teachers used to sit and evaluate the copies and others, and there is the staff toilet for the gents, staff with all the modern commode system and others, urinals are here. Now, here is the art gallery, all the annual function and sports photographs here is there and represent. Now, there is another exit gate of the school and that is the entry point. Now, the exit point. At the departure time, student used to come through this one, and we have also that microphone system, audio systems for assembly and other purposes. Now, here now I am showing the 4 walls of this school, 4 walls. So, this is my room, and for administrative and academic purpose I used to sit here, and I do my all types of activities within this room. This is our library room, library come that is reading room, and we have one library period and weekly, and students used to come here and they used to sit and read the books. Many books are available for further studies, different reference books also available, and they used to study here, and this is the reading place for them. And it is quite large, but wide quite it has length, proper length and proper breadth. For the higher studies book also available. This is our second staircase. According to government rule, every school must have the 2 staircase during the fire time. So, we can properly evacuate the students. So, that side one and in this side another that is staircase is available. So, in case of the security ground, our school is properly maintained, and there is also there drinking water facilities, also our fire also available. And this is our language lab, and here teachers and students, they used to do their duties within this room. Now, next it is followed to that drinking water facilities, double filter, we also provide them, and that is cold water during hot summer, and this is our drinking water facility, and this is the boys toilet. Boys toilet, and this is the first floor, and here is every floor there is fire extinguisher, and also there is a CCTV camera in the staircase also. Floor, there are boys and girls separate toilet. This is our maths lab. All types of math activities are performed by the students and the teachers. So, all types of necessary equipments, instruments are available in this room. Airy. So, this is our computer lab, well equipped with computers as in the COVID conditions, and it is totally empty, but we have sufficient number of computers. So, student used to do the practicals with proper way, and one setup already we have, that is projector, and this is the projector screen. Due to COVID conditions, we just keep the projector in our safe place. So, I think we also increase the number of computers in future, and these computers according to the ratio of the number of students in each section of our school. This is our biology lab, well equipped world class level lab, and here we have 3D models to describe anatomical features of human body, heart, brain, lungs and digestive system, everything is available, and skeletal system. Not only that, there is large number of microscope, and in a group they used to get a microscope. We have also many slides, and for the biochemistry we have different types of the stains available, reagents are available, and here is a basing table, and many types of pick. On other hand, there is also available of what the specimen, preserved specimen for the identification purposes. Though we have dissection box, but according to law, now we cannot dissect that animals, instead we are dissect the flowers. So, this is our biology lab. This is our chemistry lab, and here is basins and centralized burner system, and here is water is available for each table, and also here is also available for fire extinguisher available here, and here is all the instruments are here, all for especially the titration, pipette, burette, burners, and round bottom flask, cylinder, everything is available for the practical of the specially that the plus 2 level students. Now, this is the rack of all the reagents available, fully well equipped reagents are available, and tripod stand also, and here is a few raw materials that is also available, acids, all types of acids are available here, and metals also available, copper, zinc, iodine solution, and chloroform, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, all types of acids are available. So, I think it is well equipped and students are happy to do their practicals in this chemistry lab. This is our physics lab, well equipped, and all types of equipments are available to do the practicals of the students to the expense of the light. So, this is our physics lab. In the rack also many equipments are there and which are necessary for the practical. Next, it followed to that social science combined lab, and here is the globes and all types of wind meter and all projects and minerals, set of metals, ore collection, rock collection, and that is river valley, all waterfall, delta, and islands, lagoons, and with the maps of all the countries are available. So, I think students used to come with teachers and they used to do the activities according to the curriculum of the CBSE. This is our classroom for the junior sections, and classroom that is strength limit 30 to 40 range. So, I think it is proper according to the norms of the CBSE. We have also public addressing system, and total building it is connected through audio centralized from the strong room during the exam of any exam in IIS, CBSE, others, and this public addressing system help us a lot because it is 4-storied building. So, total floor, every floor there is 4 that is speakers are available, and this is our classroom for the higher section students, two-seater and accommodation 25 plus, airy, well lighted, and we have also proper blackboard and adequate number of fans. So, students used to enjoy within this airy, well ventilated classroom. This is our 3-side that is covered by the high walls to protect our students, and as it is COVID, students are not available. So, we have this temporary, that is basket as volleyball court, and these are the pakka brick made walls. This is a tennis court, sorry, that is volleyball court, and here is the one side, that is the west side of that wall, and that is the east side of the wall, and there is also the tennis court in the east side. West side it is totally that is east side wall, and there is also tennis court, badminton court, sorry, badminton court is there, and this is the north side wall. So, the building is one side west, and rest north, south, and is totally surrounded by the high walls. So, this is the view from here. We can see our school, that is the entrance gate and this exit gate, and here is the microphone system also there for the assembly. In every day student used to do the assembly, and annual sports, we also conduct our annual sports, annual function within this field. So, this is about our school. Many in the tree plantation program, we also planted many trees, mango, lychee, jackfruits, others, and that is lemon also there. Next time we also decorate our school in the front portion in this session, that is flowering few plants here in the winter season. Now, this is our school, English Oriental Academy up to plus 2 level, affiliated to CBSE, affiliation number 2430171, school number 15607, village Hapania, post Dafahat, Murshidabad, West Bengal, and pin number 742224. Thank you.